Hi friends! Today we will learn some fun and happy good habits. These small actions help us grow strong, stay kind, and make our world brighter. Let's start our adventure together. Good kids always wash their hands. Clean hands keep us healthy and happy. Helping at home shows kindness. When we help, we make our family smile. After playing, we clean up our toys. A tidy room makes playtime more fun. Eating healthy food. Healthy food gives us energy and makes us strong. Eating fruits and veggies helps our bodies grow. Saying thank you is a magic word. It shows respect and makes others feel good. Great job, friends! Remember to practice your good habits every day. Stay kind, stay healthy, and see you next time.